Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Do Bonsai. It's Monday today, and yesterday we visited Tony Tickles' back garden. Everybody was invited to an open day on Tony's back garden, so we ventured over. We were there nice and early as the doors were opened, and in we went. He's got some lovely trees, the garden's really nice, really good, and we were looked after and hosted very well. You know, we were fed, watered and looked after. We'll take you to have a look at that just shortly, but we've also, after I've shown you that, we've got some stuff to have a look at. We've had some purchases and some gifts sent. So there's a bag of rocks and shells and other rocks and stones, and then there's a package there that's arrived which feels like it's full of several different things. So we'll have a look at the stones. These two bags were £30, and what I was interested in was the coral type rocks that are in there. These have all come out of fish tanks and things. So let's go and have a look at Tony's back garden, and then by the time you come back I'll have put you some stones out to have a look at.
all he does is teach you how to kill fucking trees.
He's a bit like Marmite.
No, I love Marmite. Well, that book killed more trees than
I think a lot of the early books.
I mean, it told you loads of stuff to do, but it didn't tell you when to do it and when not to do it.
How about that? Who are we talking?
Peter Chan book. Make bonsai with everyday garden trees.
We are here, so we've just been at it.
Yeah, no, but you've got more experience and knowledge of it. You go, oh yeah, that's right. Everyone's got their own. If you move round, so this is your floor.
So here we are with the stones, the bits of coral, etc. We've got a little helper here today. Say hello, Margot. Say hello. Yes, hello. So these are the stones. There's lots of interesting different shapes and sizes. We still haven't emptied the bag here that Pete's inspecting, which has got a lot more interesting stones and different coloured stones, so they'll come in for something. And then in the other bag there's lots of these shells which would make up a nice reef for somebody with a fish tank. I'm not sure whether we can use any of this for the bonsai side of things, but there are some interesting things in the bottom of these bags. Even further in there's a bit of a log formation there. There's some shells. That's a plastic rock setup similar to the one that we've got over to one side, so that could be interesting for planting if we maybe painted it up and looked at it. And then get these shells moved across to here, and there's more larger rocks underneath. Now if you try to purchase that, you would be spending at least what was spent on the 2 bags. So I think I've done really well. I can't believe I've got all this for 30 quid. What? Yeah. And then one more big chunk, which will be good for something. We might be able to do some rock plantings, some root over rocks or anything. But look at all of that for £30. And then there's still more that Pete's investigating. Oh, there's more of the shell type things to make a wreath. So I'll just get these put away somewhere, probably under the shelves there, and then we'll have a look and see what's in mystery package number 1. So I've just set the camera up out of the way because I don't want to get too much on top of all of this. We'll get some scissors and let's put into the mystery delivery and see what has arrived. I wasn't expecting anything, nobody said they've sent anything, so this is as much as a surprise for me as it is for you guys. So it looks like an absolute mix match of different things. Some toy packs, they must be for the children. There's nothing really in there that's bonsai related, so that's all nice. You can give them to the kids. What have we got in here? A little pack. They look like tiny little pots. So we've got some, let me just make sure you can see them. We've got some tiny little plastic type pots, probably for a doll's house or something like that, but we'll put them to one side. We've got another little bag here, made in China. 2 pieces of stairs, so if you can just see that, that'll go into a planting somewhere where we've got the need for some stairs. We've got whatever this is. Let's rip this open and get in. Looks like some sort of hobbit door. So we've got a fairy door or a hobbit door. Could maybe put that against a tree or into the background of a hill or something like that. What else have we got? A moisture pH meter. I'll have to give that a test and see what it's like. So insert the probe to root level, moisture level and water accordingly. Remove probe from soil and wipe cleanly after each use. Makes sense. No batteries or anything in it? No, just insert the probe and it will tell you how moist it is. Interesting, we'll give that a try. A little roll of wire, some 2.5mm wire. It says 5 meters of it, so that might come in useful. Someone's really gone to town here. Oh, it's come broken. Might be able to fix that. It's a little dragon. Its ears fallen off in transport. The box is a bit crushed and dented, and his little ear has dropped off and a thing at the top. We'll have a look at seeing if we can repair that. See if we can find his little, any other bit that's in there. No, Oh yeah, it's there. It wasn't even in the box. So we'll look to repair that. Another little box. Lots of tiny little skulls. I'm not sure if we can do much with them. Maybe a Terminator scene or something like that. But yeah, about 15 skulls or something in there. All the same sort of shape and size. All tiny little skulls. I know someone who would like them. Another box, crumbs. Nothing in there to say where anything's from or who did it, so let's have a look, see what this is. Oh, some pretty stones by the looks of it. Some polished up stones. Very nice and polished up. They're pretty cool. There's another little bag here. Oh, there's some more steps. So there was another set of steps ordered. Just put the dragon and his ear to one side. Poor fella. Looks like this is the last bit of the box, of the bag. Right, let's have a look. It's quite light. We'll see what this is. Protected in polystyrene. Wow. A dragon. Painted up with white stripe down his back. That's really quite cool, to be honest. I wonder where we could use him. Put him on top of his packaging for now. Yeah, so some rather cool gifts there, really. We'll get them all into test mode and see what's what, but for now that's going to do it for today. So get out there and make the best of the rest of your day. Be kind to each other, animals and the planet, and as always I will see you again in the next one.